Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Well, got a mail call of sorts. Came in the U.S. mail, but it was something I ordered, and it's for the garden. So let's get at it. So this came from M.I. Gardener. It has some of the seeds I ordered a month ago, and it's got sticky on it, so I don't need to use the knife to open it up. I don't think so. There we go. All right, let's try to get them all out of here. All right, got them all out of here. It's time to drop stuff. So, got the invoice here. And let's see what we got here, according to the invoice, and then we'll go over seeing what they are here. One of each one. Italian large leaf basil, lemon basil, Hale's Best Jumbo Cantaloupe Melon, Cal Sweet Watermelon, Green Flash Honeydew Melon, Honey Rock Melon, Planter's Jumbo Cantaloupe, Dixie Queen Watermelon, Sugar Pie Pumpkin, Jack-o'-lantern Pumpkin, Howden Pumpkin, which is the one I grew last year, was really big out here, and Lemon Balm. Cool. So, and as a bonus, they sent me this, an empty packet to be able to put my own in or to put some of these in to share with somebody else. All right, so let's start looking at these here. So, yep, got the large basil, and it says it's got, let's say it on the front. Yeah, seed count, 500. Lemon basil, seed count, approximately 250. Watermelon, Cal Sweet Watermelon, seed count 30. Pay attention to these numbers. Hale's Best Jumbo Cantaloupe, 50. 50 on that one. Green Flesh Honeydew, 50 seeds. Honey Rock Cantaloupe, 50. Planter's Jumbo Cantaloupe, 30. Dixie Queen Watermelon, 25. Sugar Pie Pumpkin, 15. Jack-o'-lantern Pumpkin, 15. Howden Pumpkin, 15. And Lemon Balm, 300. That's cool. Now, the reason I said pay attention to those numbers, these were all, how does it give it on here? I think these were all $2 each from M.I. Gardener. Maybe they're $2.50. I think they're $2 each. I just stopped by the Town and Country Nursery up here on the way down, and this is their select seeds for the Sun Sugar Hybrid cherry tomato. 15 seeds, $4.99. The 15 for the jack-o'-lantern was $2. Yeah. If I couldn't find these, I may have missed them on M.I. Gardeners. If I can find them on there, that's where I'll be buying these from now on, because the grandkids really love this. All right, so that is the seed haul here. One of the things I'm going to have to get started here is going to be the, where is it here? The lemon balm. I'm going to try getting some of the lemon balm going, because I want to get planted in the front planter area here. It's 4 foot wide and 35 feet long. So I want to get that going in there. And I may throw some lemon basil in there, but that's just going to be, and I got some flowers I may put in there too, but I want the lemon balm in there because that has some great medicinal purpose uses. So that's going to be going there. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out doing anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, seeds, lots of seeds. And if you're not growing stuff indoors, try growing some stuff indoors, even if it's just a little herb garden. But also go ahead and start. Yeah, go ahead and start getting your seeds ready or started indoors so you can plant them as soon as the last frost is gone.